This video is about how tiny habits control your entire life. You keep breaking your own promises, wasting time, and quitting everything halfway. But there is a system to break that cycle, and it's simpler than you think. You already know what you should be doing: waking up earlier, studying on time, working on that one goal you have been avoiding. But every day, you watch yourself fall back into the same habits. You tell yourself, I will do it tomorrow. Then tomorrow becomes next week. And slowly, the guilt builds. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are just trapped in a system you never designed. That's what this book is about. Atomic Habits by James Clear doesn't give you motivation speeches. It gives you a system, a practical, proven way to change your behavior without needing to force yourself every day. Let's break it down. Big changes don't come from big actions, they come from small improvements. Tiny shifts, one push up, one paragraph, one page. James Clear calls it the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day, the results compound. Over time, you become unrecognizable. But the opposite is also true. 1% worse every day, scrolling a bit more, sleeping a bit late, skipping one task, and slowly you drift away from who you want to be. The truth is, your habits are either designing your future or destroying it. Setting goals feels good, but goals don't change behavior, system do. A goal says, I want to be healthy. A system says, I walk for 20 minutes after dinner. That's the first mindset shift. Stop obsessing over results. Start falling in love with the process. Because if your system is broken, your goals doesn't stand a chance. So how do you fix your system? James Clear gives four simple steps. He calls them the four laws of behavior change. Number 1. Make it obvious. You would not follow a habit you forget. Put your book on your bed. Lay out your gym's clothes the night before. Make your environment remind you of your intentions. Make it attractive. Bundle habits with something you enjoy. Listen to music while cleaning. Study with a friend. Your brain repeats what feels good. Make it easy. Don't aim for perfect, aim for done. One page, not 10. 2 minutes, not 2 hours. If it's easy, it gets done. If it gets done, it grows. Number 4. Make it satisfying. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Your brain needs to feel success, not pressure. Habits fail when they feel like punishment. They succeed when they feel like identity. Here's the most powerful idea in the book. You don't change by chasing results. You change by changing who you believe you are. Don't say, I want to read more. Say, I'm the kind of person who never sleeps without reading a page. When your habits match your identity, consistency becomes natural. Not a struggle, not a fight, a reflection of who you are. That's how real change lasts. It's not about doing more, it's about becoming more. So, if you feel stuck, if you keep quitting everything you start, the problem isn't your willpower, it's your system. Fix the system and the habits fix themselves. Start small. Shrink the task until it's laughably easy. Anchor it to your routine. Repeat it until it becomes identity. No guilt, no drama, no perfect mornings. Just one simple win. Repeat it. This book isn't just theory. It's how people rebuild their confidence. How they go from stuck to consistent. From frustrated to in control. You don't need a new version of your life. You need a new version of your habits. And it all starts with one simple step today. Because you already know what to do. You just need a system that helps you to do it.